Gilligan, are you happy? Gilligan, do you want to go inside?
No. I'm done inside the car.
Is that a silly kitty?
Going to go outside.
You want to take Gilligan inside?
Stay in the box.
You want him to stay in the box?
Oh.
Is he silly?
No.
Should we take Gilligan inside?
No.
No. You want to leave Gilligan in the car? We can't leave Gilligan in the car.
All done in the car.
Okay, Gilligan's all done in the car. We'll take him inside then, okay? Do you want to go inside?
No.
You just want to stay in the car?